Hello, my family out there. I hope all of you are doing well. It's your girl again, Bellissima. On today's menu, I'm preparing coleslaw salad. So, let's see how we prepare coleslaw salad at home. Let's see our ingredients: mayonnaise, black pepper, sugar, cabbage, carrots, onion, and then lemon. It's very simple recipe, eh? So let's start. Let's start by grating our cabbage. But if you don't have this type of chopping cabbage board, you can use your knife and then chopping board to use it. Okay. I'm using half of cabbage. Okay, so let's grate our carrots too. I'm grating 2 carrots. Very simple recipe. You can enjoy it with bread, jollof rice, or plain rice. Very delicious. You have this test at home. So I'll finish grating my 2 carrots. I'm going to grate my onion. I'm using red onion, half. Just half, not too much of onion. So I'm going to squeeze my lemon. I'm using the small size, the green type. I just want the water from it. Told you, it's very simple. I make it under 3 minutes. Finish. If you don't like the mayonnaise, you can remove it from it. If you like it, you can add it. So pouring it, and then add my sugar to it, black pepper, and then my mayonnaise. Don't worry, all the ingredients will be listed below the description box for you to try it. And you mix everything together. Guys, we are finished. I told you it's very simple and quick one too. Everything is set. If today is the first time of watching this video, please subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment to this channel because we have a lot for you here. I really love you. Let me taste it. I'll see you in our next recipe. See you.